Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. So it's another beautiful day outside, so we thought we'd come out here and get some more work done, try to take advantage of these nice days as much as we can. All right, so the purpose of today's video is to show you guys how I'm going to make this gravity fed system. Let me go ahead and show you guys the stuff that I'm going to be using. 1/4-inch irrigation hose. This is a Bulkhead Union, 1/2 inch brass hose bib, hole dozer, inline drippers. Then I have these micro tubing stakes, goose plugs, micro tubing compression adapter. So at this point I got my hole drilled. Now I'm gonna take my bulkhead union, I'm gonna stick it through, make sure I'm gonna try to get it as aligned as I can to where there's no daylight on either side. And then I'm gonna just take the top, screw it, boom, there you have it, right? I'm gonna simply put my bib. I'm gonna take my adapter and I'm gonna run my line through it. A 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch, they don't exactly, like they line up perfectly. So it's gonna take me a minute to try to finagle this thing in there somehow. I started from the bucket and I laid the line how I wanted it and where I wanted it, right? So you can see it's actually going through and weaving through the collards, right? And it ends basically like right here. It ends basically over there. So it weaves all through the collards, all through the greens, right? All the way to the bucket, boom. And all I did was I used these little yard staples or whatever. I used these to hold it in place. I haven't cut it yet because I wanted to make sure that it was how I wanted it before I started cutting. That way I knew exactly where I was gonna put my the drippers. So here we go. This is just a test station, right? So I already filled my bucket up with water. I do have a little bit of a drip right here. I got a little bit right coming out right there. That's fine. I'll maybe get some plumber's tape when the bucket is empty. You can get some plumber's tape and fix that problem. But check this out. One dripper right there, and if you look closely, it's dripping there. I have another one here. This one is dripping as well. Got another one over here about this. Where is that? Right here. There we go. That one's working. Right there, that's working. That one's really working. And they're all working all the way around, right? And I was a bit concerned because I didn't think the bucket was gonna be high enough. And I was like, oh man, like the bucket's not gonna be high enough. And I messed around. Now I've already cut the hose without taking into account that I'm gonna have to lift it up again. But it's fine. It's cool. It's perfect. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. There's a do-it-yourself gravity-fed drip irrigation. I like it. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please remember to give us that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, post a comment, tell us what you're doing to water your garden this year.
Desert rose.
Desert rose.
I guess
a rose in the desert. Yeah, so don't forget to do all of those things, and we'll catch you guys on the next go round. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.